This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, good morning all. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, thank you. Yes. Today our topic is packaging specification. Packaging specification. Sorry. Read from the right side. It's a specification for packaging. Okay. Specifications means the predefined specifications we maintain to pack products. Okay. And this is the EWM master data. Please note that I am using EWM master data. Means not ERPs. Yesterday, one of our friends asked packaging instructions. This is separate. EWM master data. There is no relation for ERP master data for this. There is no relation. There is no relation with ERP's packaging instructions. Packaging instructions. It's EWM master data only. EWM. And it's printable. And it's determined in various applications. Okay, in EWM through condition techniques. Through condition techniques. And we use PackSpec, packaging specification, from one EWM to another EWM as well. One EWM to another EWM as well. Okay, see here. This one. Packaging specification, it's a pure EWM master data. There is no relation with the ERP's packaging instructions. It's printable. It's determined in various applications through condition techniques. We use PackSpec from one EWM to another EWM as well. And with reference to these packaging specifications, warehouse packaging workers execute the packaging operations. First, I show one infographic, then we go with a small video. Okay, go to our packaging specification. Say here, product is one, bottle is there, some liquid bottle product. Say level 1 here, one is there. I am saying that it's an auxiliary packaging. What I am doing here, some Tolu bottles, I am wrapping, see here, packaging material, wrapping sheet, and I am applying some handwork to wrap these 12 bottles, one set at level 1. Level 2, what I am doing is, all these 12 bottles, packed one, I have taken one cotton box, I am applying some handwork and preparing one cotton box in the level 2. Level 3, one pallet is there, I have finished some cotton box packaging, I am carrying means handwork and packing into a pallet. See here. If we see here, 3 levels are there. Okay, and 3 different packaging materials I am using. 3 different work steps also I am using. Work steps. Work step is nothing but that hand work or mission work like this. Work step of like these things. Okay, see here. Here 3 levels are there. Okay. And however, it is possible through level 1 only. Say here within a single level, I can use 3 different packaging materials, 3 different work steps. Okay, like this. Say here, one terminology is called element. Element, see here, blue color. Element is nothing but packaging material plus work step. Element. Okay, say at level, okay, we have one element group. We use single element or multiple elements. If we go with a single level, we can see a single element group. Within that, 3 elements. Element 1, wrapping sheet and some handwork wrapping. Element 2, packaging material is cotton box and work step is folding the hands. Element 3, packaging material is pallet, and then I'm using some handwork. See here, some person is carrying cotton box to pack on the pallet like this. We can go with a single level or multiple level as well. Okay, see this. Content is representing the product or another packaging specification, subordinate packaging. Already one product is that. Okay, and again I want to pack it, that is also possible. Now we go through one YouTube video. Okay, so that 3 minutes. Okay, how to pack a laptop. Then again we come to here discuss what kind of packaging. Please observe what kind of packaging materials, how many levels it is possible to pack that laptop. Okay, like these things. How many types of work steps we can see within that video. Yeah. Correct. We can see here we are observe here. Once again, I'm repeating the same. Yes. Yeah. Now tell me, sir, what is the product there in that video?
Laptop, charger,
Okay. Okay. Slow. What is the product?
laptop plus charger, sir.
Charger he did not pack if you observe that video. Laptop. Okay. What are the auxiliary? How many auxiliary products are there within that video?
Two, sir.
There is a two, sir.
Two. How many main packaging materials are there?
One.
One. Okay. Say here, if I want to maintain a packaging specification, how many levels it is possible for that activity? Possible.
2 levels.
Two, sir.
3 levels.
Sir, is a level 1.
Yeah. One
levels.
One level, 3 element. Yeah.
One level, or else 2 levels, or else 3 levels. 3 are possible. Say here, entire thing is a single level. I can use 2 auxiliary packaging materials. One is some cotton box sheet is there with the plastic cover. That is one auxiliary packaging material. And second one is some white color sheet. He applied some thermocol sheet. That is also auxiliary packaging material. In the same level or different level, we can use it. Or else, last, cotton box. Cotton box is the main packaging material. At that level, he is going to generate the handling unit. If we see here again, handling unit. See here some label handling unit is there at last level. Okay, if we come with the level 1, he used 1 or 2 packaging materials. If we segregate it to 2 levels, at the level 1 2 auxiliary packaging materials are there. One is that cotton box sheet with the polythene cover. Okay, that one is the attached one. That one. Next one is the white color sheet, and finally he packed into a main package. That is nothing. How or why he followed that means that is a packaging specification. This is some 17-inch laptop. Okay, sorry, 14-inch laptop or something is there. He predefined that these are the packaging materials we require. We need to execute this packaging and etc. The same activities we can see within the warehouse, how we pack a product. Okay, like these things. Now coming to here, how many elements we observed there in the video? How many elements?
3.
What are those, sir?
2 auxiliary materials and 1 main packaging material.
Take here, first one, what he did, say, one cotton sheet is there, polythene cover, dummy material. Laptop, get the laptop and kept inside laptop that one and folding that four side. Folding that four side and keeping that laptop, that is one step. Auxiliary material is the cotton dummy sheet. Next one is white color thermocol sheet. That is packaging material. He packed inside of that. That is another work step. So packaging material plus work step is nothing but the element. Next one, main packaging material cotton box. Within the cotton box, he kept the entire thing. Okay, and he applied some handwork and pasting the tape and etc. Here tape is not considering any material. Okay? Tape and etc. That handwork is there. That is one kind of work step, and that is entire thing. Cotton box and that one what pasting the cello tape and etc. That is entire thing is calling as an element. Okay, see here, like he packed it. Now we see within the system. Okay, as I said, this is the EWM master data, and go to EWM system. Here, extended warehouse management, master data, packaging specification, maintain packaging specification. This is the screen. Again, go to our this. Just again recap that video. Okay. Can I use the same box for same size of? Sorry. Can I use the same packaging specification for another 14-inch laptop? Can I use the same packaging specification for another 14-inch laptop? Another company.
Yep.
He said he
Yes, we can.
yes. So you are agreeing that packaging specification is reusable, right? Packaging specification is reusable. I get some more clear.
Yes.
One bottle is there. Same size of another bottle product. Say for example, this is plastic bottle. Some glass bottle is there. Same. I want to apply it. Can I use the same packaging specification? Yes, all are agree. Means packaging specification is reusable master data, so it is having number range. Packaging specification is reusable, so it is having number range. number range. Means some number it is there. Next one. Again, recap that video. Same cotton, same materials means same element group. Same element group. Say for example, cotton box and this one what work step, that is the element that falls under this one. For another as well, right? Same box or same dummy sheet or same this one what thermocol white sheet. Can we use for another laptop, right or not?
Yes.
Yes. So that is element. That element falls under element group. So element group also reusable. Element group also reusable. So it is also having number range.
That means we have grouped that packaging material plus that particular fixed work step under
Yeah,
that group, right?
correct. Yeah, element group is nothing but say thermocol sheet is there. I am keeping some laptop there, means I am applying some handwork, right? That handwork is nothing but work step and the thermocol, dummy sheet, cotton sheet or thermocol dummy sheet, means the same thing I can use for another laptop as well, right? So that is also reusable. Now work step. Say here this is 14-inch laptop. For 17-inch laptop also I can apply the same handwork, right or not? Handwork.
Handwork remains same, but packaging material gets changed actually.
Just clear. What I'm asking is, this is 14-inch laptop. 17-inch laptop also I can apply can I apply the same handwork? I'm not talking about the packaging materials.
Yes, you can apply the same.
Same. So that is nothing but work step. Work step also reusable. Work step also reusable. So it is also having number. See, means in the packaging specification, if we think about the packaging specification, we need to maintain 3 number ranges. One is for the packaging specification, another one is for the element group, third one is for the work step. Now come to the system. See, this is the screen. Say this is the button to create the packaging material, packaging specification. Say here this one. Okay. Say for example, here nothing is there, packaging specification group and etc. Slowly we complete. This is the front end screen. Now coming to the configuration. Go to IMG setup. SAM extended warehouse management, master data, packaging specification. Define number range for packaging specification. Come to here. Here we can maintain the number ranges. Here we can maintain the number ranges. Now define general packaging specification parameters. Define general packaging specification parameters. Come to here. What are those? Number range work step. Number range element group. Some 0 to 03 are there. This is, please note that this is the client level. Okay. This packaging specification, client level, not at warehouse number level. We adapt it to our respective warehouses that we are going to see it. Number range element group and work step is there. We proceed with the same. Okay. Maximum number of rows. Say for example, if we want to print out and etc. the packaging specification, how many rows you want to maximum use and etc. Say if you want to go with some 100 rows or 200 rows or 900 rows, you can specify, but not required. And please don't waste your time to maintain the new number ranges and etc. Existing one you can use. Okay, that applicable for all. If you change your one number range and so unnecessary 10-15 minutes, so don't waste the time, and more confident on determinations and etc. Next one, say here alert category. We are not dealing with this. Any alert management and etc. are there, then we can use it. Otherwise, leave it. Farm name and a PDF farm name. One side I am saying that packaging specification is a printable. SAP delivered this standard form, standard PDF form. Okay, these forms. Standard means if we go with the implementation stats and etc. One side we can observe some SAP logo, that is the standard form. According to our convenient or our requirement, we go with our own logos and etc. Copy that standard form and maintain here. Okay, and say here any document management system is integrated with EWM system, and I want to get any document information to our packaging specification, we can use. Otherwise, leave it. We don't have that in this system. And a document object, what is the document object? If you have document management system there, what is the document object? We can see here. Now, save determination analysis. Say one side I given one word like sentence. It is possible to condition technique determination. I want to save all the determination analysis in the backend database. In that case, we can check it. And change documents. Say, for example, if I go with any change, packaging specification, each and every changes I want to keep within the database packaging specification. In that case, we opt this. Okay, these
Can
are
you-
the.
I'm sorry, can you please explore that max row one more time, like how practically we use it?
Very simple stuff. Very simple. Say here. Say this is assume that printout first row 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11 like this. How many rows in your printout maximum? That is not printable version. This is rows up to how many maximum rows you can able to use. In that case, we can print out rows. Nothing. Say for example, Word document is there. How many rows we want to go with that? Like this. Got it?
Thank you.
Next. Define packaging specification group. Read from the right side. Group of packaging specification. Now go to our image. Say here, this is the 1 liter bottle. Say assume that this is a water bottle. Another 1 liter bottle, oil bottle. Okay, like these things. Say here, these two packaging specification for this one. Say two packaging specification, or else different bottles are there. The relevant packaging specification, bottle packaging, I keep in a one packaging specification, bottle packaging. Tin packaging, different sizes of tins. I have all tin packaging specifications, I group together into packaging specification. And other some other tin bottle, some other bag is there. All bag relevant packaging specifications I group together into one kind of packaging specification. Okay, like we group together relevant packaging specifications. Relevant packaging specification. That concept is nothing but packaging specification.
Is it mandatory or just optional?
Mandatory. We are going to see that inside. Yeah, we only conclude it is mandatory. Okay. Define packaging specification. Come to here. I'm going to MPMW. I have given our warehouse member. Number range packaging specification. Where we are assigning the number range for packaging specification? Within the packaging specification. So we conclude that packaging specification group is mandatory. Okay, say here some KL or something is there, I'm using it. And say here level set and this again we can come here. Okay, save it. Packaging specification. Okay, MPMW is our packaging specification. Now come to master data. Again, go to easy access master data packaging specification, maintain packaging specification. Come to here, create button. Here field is the packaging specification group. Under which packaging specification group you are going to use this? You are going to maintain this new packaging specification. Come to here, MPMW. Just I'm clicking the M letters. All M's are correct. MPMW. Enter it. So MPMW entered, system is delivered. Okay, this one number. I will come to here packaging specification group. KL I have used within this packaging specification. Come to number ranges. KL. See here some 17 number ranges is there. That's why that is creating with this number. Select this button, display button. Say here, this is the screen. Here we can give say here description. Now this is the header area. We can see any determination procedures are there. Tab. Okay, here we can use condition techniques. And our data, say here who is created, when is created, and etc. What is the packaging specification group in the under which logical system this is there. You can see. And the rounding, say for example, this is not relevant for EWM. This is from APO and EWM control. This one not integrations we can use. And say here document management system is there. In that case, this can be populated. Bad data, say here any bad implementation and etc. In that case, the new data will come. This is the header. Next level is the content level. Content is nothing but say here against which content? Content is nothing but product master, product or another packaging specification. Okay, say here content. Under content, go to this plus symbol, yard level or contact. Beside that one hierarchy is there. Say here yard product. This one yard product. Here, see here hierarchy open. Here we can give the product and etc. Okay, this one. Say here up to here we can now. Say here levels are there. Levels. Again go to this plus symbol beside that hierarchy. Yard level. Levels we can add. Say 4 levels I have created. Just say double click on the level. If you create button is there, see here element group. Say here element group but level. Okay, element and level are at both the same level. See here this one. Element group. Say creating. Say here number range it is this one. We came this one up to here element group and come to here elements. See here element group it is creating element. Say here element. Click on this button. Say like say in this level I try to create 3 elements: packaging material and work state. 3 elements. Okay, see here 3 elements in this element group. 3 elements. And if I don't want to go with this multi levels, just 2 levels like it. Okay, now come to this level. Here also we can manage like this. Say here definition is nothing but elements of group, means element is nothing but packaging material plus work step. Element is nothing but packaging specification sorry, packaging material plus work state is nothing but element. Next one. Say here, this level again. I don't want to go with this much levels. I want to delete it. Delete. Okay. Delete. Like this. Product also I don't require. Okay. Like this. Okay. Say I know the product. I know the product and I know the what kind of packaging materials I need to use for the product packaging and etc. In that case, what I can do? Predefined. I maintain the levels predefined. I maintain predefined levels. Predefined levels. I call that as level set. Level set. What it is level. Instead of creating a packaging specification manual type, what I can do, I maintain level set. Level set is nothing but read from the right side. Set of levels. Set of levels, and I assign at set of levels. I assign at package.
Sir, it is defined at what level, sir? That level set at pack spec level or element group level, or which level that?
See here. So here packaging specification group comes here. Packaging specification group. Okay. If we work with packaging specification group, one level set field is there. Okay. Say if we maintain any level set, if we maintain any level set at packaging specification group, if we use the packaging specification group, yeah, that predefined set of levels can be adapted into our system. That we can check now. Come to here. Maintain structure of packaging specification. Maintain structure of packaging specification. Define level set. See here. Define level set. Say here. Define level set. New entries. MPMW LS. Level set. MPMW level set. Just I am giving level set one. Say here. Come to here, define packaging specification group. Go to our MPMW. Use our set of levels. This is empty level set. Not yet I have created any levels within that. Now come to our creation of packaging specification. Maintain packaging specification. Create button. MPMW. Say here I am selecting packaging specification, pressing enter. Once I press the enter, one side level set is came, another side number range is came. Means we maintain number ranges at the level sets at packaging specification group level. Agree or not? If I give a packaging specification group, one side right side level set we can observe, left side packaging specification number also observe. Means those are maintaining at pack spec group level. Say here, level set. Go to here. Say here. Nothing are their levels that are empty level sets. Now I'm going to create some levels within that level set. Level. Again, go to maintain structure of packaging specification. Maintain structure of packaging specification. Define level type. Define level type. What type of level it is? Define level type. What type of level it is? Go to here. New MPL1 level. level 1. Say level quantity, within that level quantity, how many quantities of products you are going to use. Available for input are 1 set to 1. Okay. Say for example, both are same. Available for input, you can give manually, or else by default it can take 1. Even though that is taking 1, you can change it. There is no discount. Performing entity, this is the standard one. Please use not relevant only. And any packaging specification you want to with, okay, use with any supplier, vendor, or contract packager or warehouse. Normally, we cannot use in a single EWM warehouse and etc. This one. If we use this packaging specification from one EWM warehouse to another warehouse, in that case, how you can treat either contract packager or warehouse or supplier, vendor, and etc. At this moment, please proceed with not relevant. Okay, and the remaining I am not telling at this moment. Say here, this is the level 1 description. I am giving auxiliary packaging. I am using auxiliary, this level 1 for auxiliary. So I don't want to create any HU at this level. I don't want to create at HU level. However, it is possible. Say auxiliary packaging material also possible HU, handling unit. I will tell you one example. Say if we go to this one, what shirts or jeans pant and etc. Sometimes they get packed in some small polythene cover and they use some this one handling unit like these things. They use entire thing as a handling unit. Okay. That is also possible, but no one can use handling unit. If we can see that this one tag, say 20 say 5 same size or different colors of same size t-shirts, 3-4 products, different products packed into one polythene cover, and they use one handling unit. Say during festive seasons and etc. They use set of 3 this one what t-shirts in a one pack and etc. That is nothing but handling unit. Okay. So there we are not using main packaging material, polythene cover. That is we consider as auxiliary. However, system cannot restrict us. Polythene cover is a main packaging material, etc. So either do you want to create HU or not? That is our wish. Okay, say here. And see, this is the deletion not allowed. So for example, if I use this level type in any of the packaging specification, by manually it is not possible to delete this meaning. This meaning. Remaining topics, please leave that at this moment we are not discussing. Okay, external step and etc. You will get later some clarifications. Now, rounding level, leave this. Icon button is there. Say here icon is nothing but this cannot be influence anything. Just if I want to see some icon beside that level and etc. Say here this icon I am using for level. This cannot be influenced. Please note that. Say MP1 is there. MLT1. MLT1 also there. LTM1. Our level is LTM1. Level type M1. Next, I require one more level. LTM2. MPMW level 2. Okay, like this. And at this level, I want to generate HU creation. Deletion not all. Same icon I'm using. Save it. We have 2 level types with us. Come to our level set. Define level set. MPMW LS. Come to here. Assign level types. New is first one is MTL1. MLT1.
Yes, yes.
MLT.
LTM1.
Ah, LT. Say here. That is first sequence means from internal, this not from upside. Say here. LTM1, LTM2. Save it. Now come to again create packaging specification. Maintain packaging specification. Create, select NPMW. Level set came. Go to here. Say here. Levels are coming. How levels are coming? Within the level set, we have maintained levels. This is nothing but that icon for green symbol and etc. And say here, say if you want to create element groups and etc. that you can create here. Say here, I kept deletion not allowed. Level type LTM1 cannot be deleted. Cannot be deleted. Why? Because I have given there like that. Okay. See here. And
Sir,
say
that
here
above there is a one delete, pack spec delete. Is that possible, sir?
where this one, this one.
No. In the above little like in application toolbar.
I think that's
HU check,
deletion
HU
for
check
more.
said yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, the packaging specification are deleted. Deleted. 17 later. No packaging specification. Now, levels we have maintained, come to again image within this level. These elements, it is possible to predefine within the levels. Elements. Okay. Say go to again structure. Define element type. Define element type. Go to here. New ETM1. Element type 01. Here, HU relevance. Either in this element, you want to go with use main packaging material or auxiliary packaging material. Say here, auxiliary packaging material I am going to use. Next one. ETM2. Main packaging material. Now, come to here. Deletion not allowed indicator. Here also there. If you want, you can go. Icon button also there. We used some green symbols, right? So within that icon, I am going to use this one. Icon OK. Save it. ETM1 already there. EMT1. EMT. Now, say here, come to here, again go to level set, MPMWLS, assign level types. Two levels are there. Within this level type, assign it. Say here under a single level type, we can use multiple element types or else different also. Different cases you can practice. Okay. EMT1. Sequence number 1. Now, EMT2, sorry, LDM2. EMT2. Now element types also I have maintained for level types. Come to maintain pack spec again. Maintain pack spec. Select this one. See here. Levels also came here. Levels. Okay. See here. This is the level, auxiliary level. And say here also you can see at farm list view. Say here this one or farm view. Say here. This is auxiliary and this is main packaging material. If we see this level, there is no HU creation, but coming to here, it is HU creation. Okay, and say here, if I want to restrict a specific packaging materials for these element types, we need to maintain those only. If I want to come to here, say here one element type is there, I want to restrict these material only, plastic wrap, this material only plastic wrap. In that case, we can assign this packaging material type. Otherwise, if we keep it blank, whatever it may be the packaging material type, it can be accepted at that level. Okay, blank means for all entries. Okay, see this means packaging material type, we need to assign element type. We need to assign element. Packaging material type, we need to assign for element type. For that, we go to configuration. Sorry, master data. Packaging specification. Maintain structure of packaging specification. Say here, assign packaging material types to element type. Define packaging material types. One node is there. Okay, and before that, define work step type. Say here, these element groups and work steps are predefined. Say for example, I want to create work step master data and I want to adapt here. We need to maintain work step type. Come to here. New entry is MTH1. Yeah, work step. Oh, not this. MP01 work step. MPW. MP01. Say here. MP01, MP02 work step types I have defined. Now, define packaging material types. We already have the packaging material types. CBMP, PLMP, AXMP, something we have maintained during the handling unit. Okay, handling day before yesterday, we have maintained. So, no need to maintain it. Assign packaging material type to element type. Come to here. New entries. Element type. EMT1. This is auxiliary. If you see here, auxiliary is element type. Packaging material type. Auxiliary. AXMP. This is element type auxiliary. EMT2. Main packaging. CBMP. EMT2. Sometimes same level I can use. PLMP as well, palette. This is the meaning. Okay. Enter. Okay. See here. Now, Say here assign work step type to packaging material type. Here I show some example. Say palette is my packaging material type. Palette is my packaging material type. And work step is applying cellophane tape. Work step. Can I use that cellophane tape for this one? Work step is applying cellophane tape. Cellotapes. Can I use it? No, sir. Cellotape we use for carton box. That is other packaging material. Okay. Next one. One carton box is there again. Carton box. Carton box is there. This is my packaging material type. Applying hot air is my packaging specification. If you go to any sweet shop or chocolate shop, if you want to give some any gift or etc., what they can do? They keep the products in one box and they use some shrink wrap, green, yellow color or else normal color without color, and they apply some blower. Okay, yeah, this hairdresser type something. They apply some hot air to paste completely that one. That activity is nothing but hot air apply. Okay, can I use that hot air application for this packaging material type carton box? Come on, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, you can use.
How?
If you apply the shrink wrap, then only.
Then shrink wrap is separate packaging material, right? How we can correlate with carton box? Carton box is, yes, carton box is separate, shrink wrap is separate. So carton box directly we cannot apply that. Directly we cannot apply that. So that is not possible. Means here what our intention is the relevant work step types we are restricting with reference to packaging material type. That setup is this one. Assign work step type to packaging material type. Come to here. Say here AXMP MP01 AXCB CB MP MP02. Same work step we can use for palette as well. MP02. This one. Next. Okay. See here. Now work step types and etc. we have used. Now come to here packaging material. I'm not saving this. Maintain packaging specification. Come to here. Select MPW. Header is a content. Head say MPML mat1. I'm using mat1 IBD tax PS. Next one. Coming to this level. This level. Okay. Content first. Go to content. Yard product. MPML mat1. Enter. Automatically one it is. Next, come to
So
level
the product automatically doesn't appear, sir. Manually we are adding it now. So can't it be?
quantity automatically there. Come to here level 1. Say here minimum quantity 1, maximum quantity 1. I want to use auxiliary packaging. Come to here element type. Say here if we have the level types and etc. Every time whenever I try to create the tag state, one automatically element group is trying to create system automatically. However, this can be stored in the database. We can reuse the same element group. See here. Just come to here at that level. See here. This is the element group system is trying. Here also system is trying here. That is the standard behavior. And however, this element group can be stored in the database. It is possible to reuse in some other packaging specifications. Okay, or else outside we can create element groups and work states, and we can use in the packaging specifications. Okay, say for example MPMW EG01 automatic, automatically creating this system wise. Come to here 0 to automatically. I will show in the database. Okay. Now come to here. See here, minimum quantity 1, target quantity 1. I am going to use auxiliary packaging material, and I am not creating any HU. I am not creating any HU at this level. Come to here. This is the list view, and come to here form view. Auxiliary packaging material. What is our auxiliary packaging material? MPMW -AU. I have taken it. Auxiliary packaging material. Say here, this MPMW, these things. I enter. Now come to level main packaging material. Go to form view. Say here 1 minimum quantity, maximum quantity 1 I am using. HU creation is there here. Okay. Say here pack material MPMW C. And okay, see at this level I am not using any HU creation, but come to here at this level HU creation. Here work step, if we have the predefined master data, we can assign it. Okay, we are going to create further work steps and the element groups and etc. Now come to here product. If you see here each product, I am triggering this packaging. I am using this packaging specification. Now come to HU check. Packaging specification is valid and not yet this is activated. Not yet activated. Go to try to activate it first. It is activated. Okay, but we don't have any determination procedure for it. I want to activate it. Straight away, it's not possible to change packaging specification. We need to change in version wise. Create second one. Again, deactivated. Come to determination. Say here condition technique, one field is there. 0 IBD I am taking. Say here 0 IBD. Say here the second one I am selecting at this moment. Leave this first one. CU star means that is the table condition table custom tables. This is the standard table. CU star, whatever it may be. In coming sessions means we are going to discuss that. This one. Supply chain unit, product, and from. From means ship from is there. If I take it, if I consider, if I maintain, try to maintain this zero IBD, it is expecting a supply chain unit, product, and a ship from. Okay, see here. Go to one of the inbound delivery notification. Partner, ship from, we can get. This is ship from. Product, MPML. This one, supply chain unit. This is right, supply
This
chain.
ship from is the vendor.
Yes, exactly. Supply chain unit. Assign warehouse numbers. Here I have three values. Supply chain unit, product, ship from. I have maintained here. Again, is this one condition technique, zero IBD. Now go to HU check and activate it. Fine. This is activated. Okay. Now come to this level 1, this one, and level 2 also 1. Now I am coming to ERP system. VL31N. Three products and save it. Again, someone is deleted. Why goods received files are deleting frequently? We don't know. Check parentheses as well. Someone is trying to copy, but they are not aware how to copy this. That's why they are deleting all entries. We assume that. Say they are not there. Please check your this thing and maintenance or yours. Say here delete button and copy button is there. Yeah, they select and trying to copy it. That's why this class was instead of clicking this, they are clicking this. That is why. That is manual mistake. VL31. 3. This product is 3. One was distributed and one was saved and distributed to WMS. Come to our EW.
Sir, MAT2 also did we maintain in the Packaging?
Please follow the session. SAM extended warehouse management, delivery processing, inbound delivery, maintain inbound delivery notification. Come to here auto HU1. 2 line items are there. And there is no H information came from the ERP. Now come to inbound delivery. 2 items are there. Go to HU. If you observe here, 3 HUs are created. 2 items are there. 3 HUs are created. Go to here. Select this. Display HU. This product mat 1 each, 1 HU. Product mat 1 only, another HU, 1 only. Say here, go to display HU, mat 1 only, 1 product. Means, say here system is generated some handling units for only 1 line item, mat 1. Okay. Why? Because I have maintained some packaging specification now. Why it is created 3 handling units? Just 3 quantities I have taken, 3 handling units. Why it is generated? Come to pack spec, come to this HU level. Target quantity, minimum quantity 1 1. I have given HU. Means each HU only 1 it should create. Now I am going with another option. 1 to 5 I am giving. 1 to 5 I am giving. Again activate. Now come to same quantity specification. 3 here. Okay. Now come to inbound delivery notification. Come to here. There is no inbound delivery notification. Come to inbound delivery. 2 line items are there. HU. Only 1 HU is created. Display HU. Here 3 quantities in the same HU. Unlike in the previous inbound delivery, 3 are packed in the same HU. The reason is minimum 1, maximum 5. Minimum 1, maximum 5. Now go to another option. Say here.
So that means 1 HU with up to 5 quantities, right, sir?
Yes, exactly. Say here, I'm changing like this. Minimum quantity 5, maximum quantity, target quantity means maximum quantity 5. Minimum is 5, maximum is 5. Go to here. Come to again. Same quantity test case. 3. Save it. Okay. 3924 is there. Come to our inbound delivery notification. No HU in the inbound delivery notification. Come to inbound delivery. No HU is there. Reason is if the quantity is 5, if the quantity minimum is 5, then only it built HU. Minimum is 5, maximum is 5. Now I am going with one more test case. Come to here. I am asking you all a question. David, 3925 is there. Come to inbound delivery. How many HUs are generated? What are those? Logically think.
1.
1 with 5 and 4 loose.
Yes, 1 with 5, 4 loose. For line item 1 only. Okay. Say here, 1 with 5. 4 loose only. Now, okay. Now, say goods receipt I am executing. Now, if I try to create, see here, inbound delivery, 2 line items are there, 2 line items are there. Okay. Now, if I try to create the warehouse task, how many warehouse tasks will be created? What are those? Come on, sir, think logically.
One HU relevant warehouse task and 4 product relevant.
Product warehouse task and one
Work
HU
product and
Come on. Guessing, thinking. Come on.
One HU and 2
The
product.
total 5 tasks.
No, wrong. Our friend is correctly said. 1 HU and 2 product warehouse tasks. Come to here, inbound delivery, follow on functions. Say here, in the first product, required quantity for open means 4, okay, out of 9. 5 gone to HU. See here, 2 for second product also, 9 is, that is product means only single warehouse task it will be created. For this also 4 is there, that is single. Come to here, handling unit, 1 is for HU. Okay. Okay. Like we work with this. Okay. Okay, sir. I'm stopping today. Okay. Tomorrow, why it is created handling unit, where the relation, say, I given a 0 IBD some condition technique, but how it is created, where the relation, how the link is establishing between this, and how we can go with the condition table maintenance if we require any custom and etc. Like these things, tomorrow we can check. And element group and work steps, we maintain the master data and we reuse in for the second product. Okay.
Reddy, can you go to that infographics one? I have a couple of questions.
Yeah.
And this you said level 1, level 2, level 3, right? But can we use? I mean, because there will be a product without ops packaging, right? So that is possible, or it is a mandatory. This ops
Pardon?
packaging. There will be a product where we don't use ops packaging materials, right? So is that level 1 is a mandatory or it is not a mandatory?
Not mandatory. Say for second product is there still remaining, we go with only single level.
So that is possible. That's what you are telling, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And you said that the maximum level, how much is allowed? Like in SAP, there any levels, predefined levels, or it is only 3 levels we can use it?
Yes, I will tell you.
Yeah.
Go to master data. First thing, do you want to go with this one? What maximum? First thing, do you want to go with any level set or not? That is one thing. Okay. Other thing, maintain structure of packaging specification. Come to level set. Any level set you can take. Any level type you can take. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. One thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. 99,999 levels you can possible. Say here. Here we need to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 99,999 levels possible. And one more thing, sir. I said that this is a printable. Just see here. This is our this one what the packaging specification. Go to preview button. One output device LP01 or something. Print the preview. You can see this form. This is the standard concept. Copy this in the implementations and they use their logos of etc. They can use.
Okay. And see, the step seems to be very lengthy steps, like compared to ECC, this packaging specification. But how we do maintain in data migration? Because when it comes to we create a mass packing specification, how do we make it very easy? Because creating packaging specific with multiple levels and element types.
Yeah. Go to interfaces, data upload, initial data transfer of packaging specification. Come to here. Here we can five structures are there. Some strategy is there. Migration. Sorry, this one not upload strategy. Here we can use. Okay.
Like what we did in storage bin. Similarly, we'll upload the template and then.
Here we need to fill the data. Okay. Say how to get that template and etc. See here. Here's normal master data packaging specification. Go to here. Export. See here. These are the okay. We can use it. Yeah. We can use it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Thanks, sir. Tomorrow we see how to create an element group and work step outside, and how where we can see these condition tables, condition techniques, and etc. Tomorrow we see. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks for the discussion. Have a nice day.